Hi everyone, this is Christian here on YouTube and welcome to this brand new video for the channel. In today's video, I want to show you my first inside look at Forex.com. This is the new broker that I opened the account for and I'm actually happy with it. I like the interface, I like the actual usage of it, and more importantly, I like the fact that you can actually trade web-based. But right now, I'm gonna give you a tour as to how the broker actually is, and we're gonna see the trade that I already placed. It's not really big deal, but you guys will be able to understand how the actual broker works. So if you're still interested in Forex.com, this is not an affiliated video. There's no affiliate link or anything. It's just a broker that I opened the account for, and I decided to actually give it a try and see how it goes. So if you guys are new to my channel and you're into binary options, Forex trading, crypto trading, or any type of making money online, this channel is for you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below and activate the notifications bell icon so that you get a notification for every new video that I upload. With that being said, let's jump into the video. All right, so here we are, and this is the Forex.com website. Like I said, I like the fact that it's web-based. I love trading web-based platforms. I do have MT4, I do have Z-Trader with IC markets, but honestly, MT4 is kind of confusing. I don't like it. Z-Trader is actually really cool, but I mean, I'm using it already with one broker, so there was no reason why for me to actually use it with a different one. Nevertheless, Forex.com does have a web-based trading platform. And here are the first things that I want to tell you in regards to this broker. One, that the minimum deposit is $100. It's what I deposited. And that is very simple to use. Over here, you have the popular markets, which is Bitcoin, Bitcoin against Euro, Bitcoin against British Pound, Bitcoin against AUD, and so on. But these are just the popular ones. If you want to have your own pairs, you can just go ahead and create new watch list. And this is what I did. And I created my own list. And I have the pairs that I'm actually trading with, which is Euro USD, AUD USD, USD CAD, Euro JPY, NZD CAD. NZD CAD is the trade that I actually have open with Sid Hands a signal today. With Anupama, I'm actually using MT4. And by the way, in case you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I'm actually following the signals in the BLW trading room. So one cool thing that I like about this is first that they do have the trading view chart widget inside of the website, which means that you have over there a chart that you can trust. Okay, there's a couple of things that I don't like in regards to binary options brokers, for example, is that whenever they have their own charts, it's kind of complicated sometimes to trust them and, you know, be sure that that's the actual price movement. Sometimes you might be even facing price manipulations and stuff like that, but this doesn't happen in Forex. And here's the proof: you are using a trading view. Nevertheless, I don't like the fact, one, that it's a little bit slower to charge. If we go to 10 minutes, for example, take a look at how long it takes for you to charge. Right now, even charged a little faster. But other than that, I think is actually good. It's actually a really cool feature to have always MT5. Trading view on here, because you have all of the indicators, the horizontal lines, you have the cross line, you even have the actual data range and all the indicators that I actually use over there on my MT5. If you have seen my videos where I actually show my predictions, you will see that I use all of these tools on MT5, so that's actually awesome. You have the ruler to measure the pips and so on. So like the actual fact that you have trading view inside of the actual broker is a huge plus. So that's actually awesome. You even have the indicators. I have a moving average in the period of 50 right here. So that's actually something really, really cool. Now, jumping into the way of placing the trades is actually cool. I like it. It's way better when you do it with C Trader, for example, because with C Trader, when you actually put the lot size, and this is mostly for newbies, you can actually see what's the margin required in the currency that you're gonna be and the currency that you have in your broker. But the margin required, by the way, if you don't know, is the actual balance that you need to have available. So for instance, if I want to place a trade of 0.4 lots, I need $132 in my account, and that's the actual trade amount that you're gonna place. Obviously, you manage how much is gonna be your stop loss and your take profit, so it's not gonna make that big of a difference, but it does change the pip value. Okay, so that's the difference. This is, like I said, just for newbies, but if you know how to measure the lot size and everything in MT5, MT4, you can do as well just by the lot size. But in here, you can actually check what is the amount of the trade as well. So for example, if you want to go with right here, this is a sell option, this is a buy option, but still you can change it at the moment that you actually go in there. You can place an instant trade right here. You can see that the minimum is 1,000 in the currency that you're looking at right now, which is the currency is euro against dollar. So that means that your minimum is 1,000 euros. If you know how to use leverage, you probably already know that if your leverage is 100, 1,000 euros means 0.01 lot. So this is what I have right here. If you notice, the pip value is 10 cents and my actual margin required, which means the trade amount that I'm placing, it's $5.88. If I want to invest 3,000 euros, for example, that's $17 off my balance and 30 cents per pip. So whatever pip is it that you're winning, that's how much money you're going to make. You can also set, and you can actually see this in this trade, for example. You see that the point, which is the pip, it's 18 away from the actual SR or opening price. And right now I'm minus $1.39. Does that make sense? Cool. And you can also place an order. The order basically is when you place a pending order or a limit order. Does that make sense? It's basically when you you know that the price will be reached for you to open the trade, but you don't want to open it at the current price. So for instance, right now, the price might be at 17,600, but you want the price to open when it reaches 17,700. So you place the open, the order price at 1.17700, and then when the price is actually reached is when the trade is going to be open. Here you choose how much is it that you're going to place in that specific trade, the stop loss and the take profit, and that's it. The alert is basically just going to tell you when the price is reached, but it's not going to place the trade automatically. I don't really use this one because I mean, if I'm going to set the alert, it's because I'm going to enter the trade and I might just lose the trade. This is good for binary options, but for Forex, I would suggest you that you actually just use the actual, order, pending order. So that's actually something cool because it's actually easy to use with Forex.com. I like the fact that you can actually see how much money you place in each trade. Here we have the news, is nothing important to be honest. And that's pretty much it. You can click on the one-click trading. I don't recommend it because you might make a mistake and just click on the wrong button. So it's better if you have a second confirmation when you're placing the trades. When it comes to assets, it has pretty damn good assets inside of the actual pair. Not only the regular global pairs or anything, but you can actually get the popular one. You can get indices, you can get Forex pairs, you can get equities, you can get commodities in case you guys would like to invest in oil, more than anything. You can even change it to metals. You do have cryptocurrencies. I don't trade cryptocurrencies in case you guys did thought that I did. One thing that I do like about trading, what I don't like about trading is trading with stocks. For example, Facebook, Google and so on. But they do have it available. You can use them in case you guys want to. But mostly the Forex pairs, which is what we are looking for. is what is available right here. So honestly, it's a very easy to use broker. I'm just using the web-based platform. I'm not saying I recommend it, but in case you guys wondered how was this broker, maybe since Christian is using it, maybe he can show us how it works. This is exactly what I'm doing. I'm showing you how it works. I'm gonna keep on using it, and of course I'm gonna test the withdrawal once I actually reach some profits and show whether it's worth it or not. But it's one of the most trusted brokers in the world, and more importantly is available in the US, in case you guys are in the US. So I wanted to show you these features in regards to these Forex. Let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think in regards to forex.com, if you're using it or if you're going to use it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and smash the like button if you found value on it. And more importantly, if you have any questions, put it in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, make sure you do so, and I'll see you on the next one.